Hello eaters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page Princess Kitchen PH for today's vlog.
So guys, bago kayo mag-hair color, basahin nyo muna to guys. Ang haba oh. Paano to? Flash sa bibig. Flash sa bibig. Paano ba to? Squeeze the center of bottle. Squeeze the center of the bottle. Squeeze po. Oh my gosh. Wala sa bibig.
Hi guys! It's me, Princess. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. For today's video, magkukulay tayo ng buhok. So as you can see, nagpagupit na ako kasi meron akong gustong itry na product. So, bigay kasi sa akin to ng friend ko. So, magkukulay tayo ng buhok. Ito yung original hair natin. As you can see, it's very short and it's black, obviously. Ayan, I will show you the product that my friend gave me. So, wait. Ito yung product na gagamitin natin for today. Ito is yung hair color in shade marshmallow brown. So, we will try this product. So, thank you so much, Lynn, for giving this hair color. So, susubukan ko na siya. Hopefully, na mag-match sa akin yung hair color na to kasi it's so light. So, ayan. Let's do our hair color. So, ayan. Pag open mo, actually, binuksan ko na siya. Tinignan ko siya kung anong meron sa loob. So, ayan. I think this is the solution number 1 here. Then, the solution number 2 is here. This is solution number 2. Then, sa loob, meron siyang kasamang pump. And then, this one. Wait na. Basahin ko kung ano to. So, this is repair treatment. I think this is after mong hair color. This is the treatment. So, meron pa dito sa loob. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Try natin. Check natin kung ano to. Meron ditong instruction. So, ayun. I think this is instruction guide. So, ang haba, guys. Yeah. Parang kang magbabasa ng brochure for today's video. Charit. Ang haba naman ito. So, guys, bago kayo mag-hair color, basahin nyo muna to, guys. Ang haba, oh. But, then, meron ditong Korean language instructions. And this is the English instruction. Ang haba, oh. So, ayan. Wait lang. Basahin ko muna, guys. So, meron ditong solution number 1, solution number 2. Then, meron ditong allergy test panel. Cut allergy test panel. Okay. Alright. Anyways. So, check the items you need. Solution number 1. Solution number 2, foam cap, gloves, rinse off treatment, and instruction sheet, obviously. So, ayan. Wait lang. Let's get straightforward sa how to use. Kasi ang haba na, guys. Oh my gosh. So, so yung solution number 1 and solution number 2, pag-combine mo lang siya. Then, isi-shake mo yung bottle. Pero ilagay mo na dito yung foamer cup. Then, mix. Then, ano pa? Then, ayun, pwede na kayong maglagay ng product sa buhok nyo. Yun. Siyempre, mag-gloves muna kayo. Then, yan na. So, anyway, let's get started. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, wait. Let me check this one first. Oh, okay. I think this is the, this is the skin allergy test panel. And meron yata ditong gloves inside. See? Meron ditong allergy test panel. Then, this is the free gloves. Yan, free gloves na siya. Wear your gloves, guys, before proceeding to hair color. Kita mo ng gloves na to. White. So, now we're ready. So, ayan. Ito yung length ng buhok ko. Iksi na talaga siya. Solution number 1, solution number 2. So, ang gagawin natin is pagkukumbanin mo natin siya. Let's open the lid. Good thing, wala siyang amoy, guys. Ayoko kasi ng hair color na masyadong strong amoy. Then, open natin tong solution number 1. So, ayan. I think this is developer and this one is the hair color itself. So, I'll just combine this. Kinakabahan ako, guys, kasi baka malagyan ng color yung aking damit. Nakawal pa naman din ako. Then, let's put the cap. Then, sabi, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Sabi, gently. Oh my God. Sorry, na-shake ko na siya ng malala. But, ano daw, shake ko siya ng ganyan. 5 times. Paano to? Wala siya sa bundok. Wala siya sa bundok, guys. Paano ba to? Paano to? My God, paano ba? Sabi na natin, guys. Hindi ako marunong. Squeeze the center of bottle. Fuck. Squeeze the center of the bottle to squeeze foam. My gosh, wala sa bundok, guys. So, guys, bago kayo mag-hair color, basahin nyo muna to, guys. So, nag-proceed na nga ako sa pag-apply ng hair color. So, here's my feedback about the product. Nagustuhan ko yung product na to kasi first, napakadali lang i-apply. Para ka lang talagang nag-shampoo, para kang naliligo. So, pwede mo tong isabay bago ka maligo. Meron siyang konting scent but it's not bothering you. And hindi siya kagaya ng ibang hair color na sobrang tapang. Ito, hindi rin siya masakit sa anit kapag ka ina-apply. Very gentle lang yung atake nitong product na to. Pero napaka-pigmented. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan niya sa buhok ko. Aside from that, hindi to kagaya ng ibang hair color na kapag nalagyan ka sa skin is magkakaroon ka ng pigments. Ito, kahit na malagyan mo siya sa forehead mo, hindi magmamantsa. Tatapusin ko lang yung pag-a-apply ng hair color sa buhok ko, then I will be right back. So guys, it's been 45 minutes. So I'll just rinse it off. So let's rinse it off. Now we will use the treatment that included in the hair color. So let's try. Now let's apply the treatment.
Ang bango niya, guys.
So here's my hair looks like before hair color. And then this is my hair after hair color. This is how it looks like in natural lightings. Anyway guys, this will be the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!